It's early May and you're out for a walk. Why does it look like somebody spit on all the plants? It turns out that the aptly named Spittlebug is to blame. Belonging to the family Aphrophoridae, the spittlebug mixes air with a sticky substance secreted from its abdomen to create a nest of protective bubbles. Spittlebugs are found worldwide, with over 2,000 known species. They inhabit a wide range of habitats, from forests to grasslands to gardens. While some species of spittlebugs are considered pests, causing damage to crops, others play beneficial roles, contributing to nutrient cycling. Next time you see a clump of spittle on a plant, just think of the little creature living in it. You'll meet the spittlebug and many more amazing creatures when you get out there and see what you can see.